the game.
Now to some football action in an exciting day of quarter-final action at Police Sacco grounds. Tusker and Ulinzi Stars emerged as the victorious teams to book their spots in the semi-finals of the Mozzart Bet Cup yesterday. Let's listen in to what the coaches had to say.
I think for me, Ulinzi started strongly in the game today. But of course, after 15 minutes, we controlled the game 100%. So we had the game at our hands, especially we controlled how Ulinzi tried to attack, playing the long ball behind us in the first half. We controlled this very well. We went to break. Of course, Ulinzi, we conceding 1-0 from a sloppy foul from my defender. I think the Ulinzi striker didn't have any chance, or even 1% to make a goal, but we give them a free kick. A good brilliance from the Mushiri to pinch the free kick in the net. But look at our development of play, and then we equalize. It's 1-1 at halftime. The reality, we set ourselves to win the game in the second half. You saw in the second half, I make the substitution. My players had a clear tapping with the keeper. You bring the keeper in the moment that he gives the ball back to my striker. You just change the direction of the goal. 2 times, it's 2-1, it's 3-1. The game is finished. So the reality is, in the second half, we are stronger. And it's natural in football. The team that gets more chances, if you don't punish your opponent, if you come in the event that it's coming in the penalty is a lottery. But I don't congratulate the keeper of Ulinzi. The reality is, the crossbar is the one that saved that penalty. So it's just a matter of to give my players the confidence so that they can always understand it's about technical ability. Pick your spots, get the ball behind the net, the reality. Because my player was only to beat the crossbar. But for the Ulinzi, I think if it was the Ulinzi goalkeeper that could have said, I could have said congratulations. But this is uneven. It is the crossbar which saved. It is the crossbar. So for me as a coach, I'm confident with my player, the development of the game. The only situation that I can say, we had 3 clear chances, free on goal, empty net, put the ball behind the net. We are in the semi-finals. But the reality is, we live to fight another day.
Nadhani imekuwa nzuri ukizingatia Ulinzi sasa hivi sisi kwenye ligi ni kama hatuwezi kuipata tena. So nadhani tumebakia na kikombe kimoja tu msimu huu kama reward katika vijana kazi ngumu ambao wamekuwa kiifanya msimu huu. So nadhani kwa mchezo wa leo ambao ulikuwa mgumu sana ukizingatia kwamba tukianza michezo ilikuwa 5, sasa imebaki 2 na kila mara inapungua inazidi kuwa ngumu. So tumejikuta kwenye nusu finali, nia yetu ni kwenda moja kwa moja hadi kuweza kuwakilisha nchi, na hii ndio shortcut ya kuweza kuwakilisha nchi. So tukiangalia kwamba hatuwezi kuchukua ligi tena, ligi imetutoka, then sasa nguvu zetu zote tunaelekeza kwa Mozzart Cup. Okay. Tunakutana na Tusker wako na uwezo wa kuchukua Mozzart na pia wana uwezo wa kuchukua ligi. So nadhani tutatumia hiyo advantage kwamba wao wanafikiria mechi vikombe 2, sisi tutakuwa tunazingatia tu kwa kikombe kimoja. Na mwishowe maybe tunaweza tukiwa wakiwa kwenye hizo njia panda tuweze kutumia hiyo advantage ili kuwapiku.
Of course, that is about